Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey,
Today,
buddy.
we gonna get some paint down.
Okay.
Now, I've been wrecking my brain trying to,
Do a Sudoku puzzle?
no. I've been wrecking my
my
brain
bad.
trying to figure out what color I'm gonna paint this car. Now, I finally landed on blue.
Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna be
Blue.
all blue
Gotcha.
or some blue, but it's gonna definitely have a blue theme to it.
Okay, I can see that.
So, you know what I'm saying?
What we
That's
gonna do
what's
today?
I'm going to
Why you
paint
say
my grill,
like I didn't help?
and I'm gonna paint these
You gonna
wheels.
be
You
helping?
know what I'm saying? As you can see, I got my grill painted.
Yeah, we got the grill painted.
I'm gonna go over with a black wash so to get into those lines and everything, but right now I just painted it
Why
blue.
you got the brush in your mouth? You ain't no
And,
artist.
you think it looked really
Picasso or
nice?
something?
Picasso didn't ever put the brush in his mouth.
Okay, Mr. Literal.
Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and paint these marker lights amber, turn signal amber. You know, they look pretty good. So yeah. Wow, this part is boring. Not even doing anything. Okay. Alright, here we go.
Nope, you gotta screw the cap on. Now, here we go.
Up, nope, not yet.
Oh,
So now I'm about to do these
Finally.
wheels. You know, I was debating
you sure do a
whether
lot
to
of
leave them
debating.
chrome.
You should be
or
on the
paint 'em
debate
up.
team.
Yeah, I did that 4 times. I went ahead and painted them up. I think they look good. I just painted the
They
centers.
look really nice.
You know, the spokes. But
Yeah, I like what you did with that.
then I'm gonna go ahead and throw that chrome spinner on it,
Okay.
and the wheels will go be good.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So now for the hood, well, the
The
scoop.
hood.
I was trying to figure out how I was gonna get around this big lump
Yeah, I remember you
in the
saying
middle of
something
the
about that.
engine compartment. So I decided to put this hood scoop there,
Yeah, instead
kind of
throwing
cover it
in the
up,
trash.
and you know, where I wouldn't have to chop it down and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this hood scoop,
The scoop then.
and hopefully that will solve our problem. I'm gonna start the hood scoop in this video, and I'm gonna finish it in another video. But yeah. So I just cut me some thin little pieces,
Why they gotta be
you know, and got the right little angle on
Why
it.
gotta be a little angle?
And now I'm gluing it to the hood. I started with the sides. I mean, different people make hood scoops in different ways.
I would have totally made it different.
This is just one of the ways that I do it. So,
Anyway.
you know, that part right there, that's the part I'm gonna cut out. I'm not gonna cut it out right now.
Why not?
Right now I'm just building the scoop up.
Okay.
So yeah, I got me some styrene. I curved it. You know what I'm saying? I bent it, curved it, and now I'm tapering it so that it'll have a smooth transition to the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some super glue on it. You know, I don't know when the last time I used actual model car glue
Yeah, we don't use model car
for a model. I just use super glue.
Super glue is life.
I mean, I ain't had no problems with it, but it's just weird. They
Not that
They
weird.
got model car glue, and I use super glue all the time. I don't know why. I need to start using that stuff. I think because it takes too long to dry. I don't know.
Yeah, that's probably
Anyway,
why. It do take a long time.
Yeah.
And as another plus, all the fumes you inhaling from the super
Yeah.
glue, that's probably why you talking to me.
Wait,
I mean, if it
what?
wasn't for super glue, I wouldn't even be here.
That's
So,
awful.
yeah, shout out to
No,
super glue.
no shout out. No shout out to super glue. Anyway,
let's see what
back
this
to the hood
look like.
scoop. Yeah, it's kind of oversized. It's kind of exaggerated, but you know what I'm saying. I think it still looks nice. I like it.
I like it too, Gerald.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this little design in the middle of the hood scoop because it look plain Jane.
I like it plain.
So yeah,
What's wrong with plain?
I'm gonna put this little bump right here. Give it some dimension. And I'm gonna glue that down.
Glue it down then.
So yeah, we getting this down. And now that we got it down, you know, it looked kind of weird in the front, but no worries. That's what JB Weld water welders for.
That's not really what it's for.
So I'm gonna do a little sanding, get a little smoother. You know what I'm saying? Get it nice.
Yeah, you do that.
And then we go work on that little front end up there. Here we go. Pop it open like a Pringles can.
That Pringles can.
Y'all like Pringles?
I mean, I do.
I love Pringles.
I don't see what that
Anyway.
has to do with this model car.
So now I'm kneading the putty.
I need some putty
Getting
too.
all the hardener and everything
Oh, okay, I got you.
throughout the
I don't know
putty.
what I was thinking.
And I put it on the hood. It look alright. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of rough, but it look alright right now.
You do say so.
And of course I'm gonna do some sanding, get all that nice and smooth, and I'm gonna end it out right here. As I'm doing the sanding.
That'll be the end of the show. So thanks for watching.
Peace.
Peace.